dropped a dream. She poured Grandpa's liquor down the bathroom sink. She never knew he had a copper steel. Hidden out in the woods of Sawblade Hill. He was gone every night into the morning light. She never knew how the bills got paid till the lawman came to the door that day. He said, "Ma'am, are you living here alone?" She said, "It's me and Grandpa, but Grandpa's gone." "Are you the wife of old Charlie Bill? We caught him cooking liquor up Sawblade Hill. Yeah, well, he put up a fight. The sheriff lost his life.